Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Proxy by Janitor AI. Make sure to watch until the very end to make sure you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Alright, let's begin. So once you open up the Janitor AI website, you're going to look for a specific bot to talk to. I'm going to use the second one here, and what you'll notice here is that it says that Proxy is enabled on this character. So you're going to go to the bottom here, then select Start a new chat. Then you're going to go to the top right corner where the three horizontal lines are. Then you select API settings. Then we have different options here. We have Janitor LLM, Beta, OpenAI. You're going to go to the right side and select Proxy. After selecting Proxy, under Proxy API settings, where it says model, it's going to be on custom. On default, you're going to change this to OpenAI preset. Then here, you're going to select the drop-down option. Then you can change it to a specific model that you like. So we have GPT-4 and GPT-4 Turbo and so on. Then here, you can also enter in a specific URL for that proxy. And then if it's available, you'll be able to check it by clicking on this button here, where it says check API key/model. And that's it, you are done.